Welcome to the Winds Hotel at Crosswinds Casino here near Wichita, Kansas. We're going to take a quick room tour of a room with double queen beds. The bathroom is located on the left when you first walk in. It looks like they have updated the mirror with a modern vanity set. Hair dryer is down below the bottom shelf. We'll do a close-up of the amenities. Soap, multiple washcloths, sink, toilet. They do have a shower with shower doors instead of a curtain. They do provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash complimentary that is on the wall. And here is a long shot of the shower. Entering the room, you have a nice long mirror there on the right side of the room. To the left, you have a closet. Inside the closet, you have an ironing board, hangers, and your luggage rack. Here inside the room itself, we have your 2 queen beds. We have 1 lamp, 1 alarm clock. The alarm clock does have 2 USB ports. The lamp also has 2 USB ports and 2 electrical outlets. There's also a Bible there on the shelf. There are 4 pillows on each bed. There is a chair over in the corner in addition to a floor lamp. There is the heating and air conditioning unit. We have the desk area. This room is a no smoking, no vaping room. There is a lamp and a telephone there on the desk. They also have a notepad and pen. There is also a menu here to order food. There's also another mirror. So there is information here on the dresser about the Crosswinds Casino and just information about the hotel in general that you can look at. There is also a Cuisinart coffee machine, ice bucket, and your coffee items. Down below, we have 3 drawers in the dresser. There is a refrigerator. So you can see that below. Here's another view of the room. And then as for our view outside, we are on the first level since we are in room 112. We have a view right in front of the hotel. And it's a nice sunny day out, overlooking the highway. Here's another view. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.